In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Ctrader chart color. This quick customization can make your workspace easier on the eyes, improve contrast for price action, and help you focus during long trading sessions. First, launch Ctrader on either desktop or web. Both versions support the same color controls, so use whichever you prefer. Give the platform a moment to load your workspaces and charts so everything is ready to adjust. Next, open the symbol chart you want to customize. If you already have a chart up, you're set. If not, pick a symbol from your watch list or search for the instrument you want, and make sure that chart is active on your screen. The color you choose will apply to the chart you currently have selected. Now, it's time to open Chart Settings. The fastest way to get there is to right-click anywhere on the chart area. Avoid clicking on side panels or the watch list. Right-click directly on the plotting area where the candles or bars are displayed. This brings up the chart's context menu, which is consistent across desktop and web. From that menu, select Color Options. This opens the section dedicated to how your chart looks. If you're on web, it may appear as a panel on the side. On desktop, it might pop up as a dialog. Either way, you're in the right place. Inside Color Options, look for the background setting. This controls the main canvas behind your candles, bars, or lines. Changing the background is the quickest way to switch between a light, neutral, or dark feel without touching other elements. Finally, choose one of the preset colors. As you click through the presets, you'll see the chart update immediately, making it easy to compare options. If you prefer a bright workspace, a light background can keep things crisp. For low light environments, a darker background reduces glare and eye strain. Pay attention to how your candle colors, grid, and indicators look against the background you choose. Good contrast helps you read price action at a glance. That's it. You've changed the chart color for your selected symbol using the built-in presets. If you want to adjust other visual elements later, you can return to the same color options area and explore further, but for now, you've completed the essential steps to set a background that suits your trading style. Thanks for watching. If this helped, try customizing a few different charts to see what feels best across your workspace and enjoy a cleaner, more comfortable Ctrader setup.